happened here was, while I was shopping, I was listening to Megan Thee Stallion, and then I thought, Badiadi, no, I am not Megan, I am not the Stallion. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jabby. If you are new here, welcome. And I'm sure you can tell from the title, today's video will be a Zara haul. I've got some pieces from Zara and actually some pieces from Stradvarius as well. I picked up the stuff from Stradvarius about 2 weeks ago and from Zara last week. Also, for reference, I should probably mention I am 5'9" in height, kind of tall, size 10 top and bottom usually. I think for the most part I'll try to mention what size I've gotten in everything I've gotten, and yeah, just gonna get straight into today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to see more of my content. So I'll start off with what I'm wearing first, and it's this beige racer back top. It was quite cheap, it was $4.99, and I thought it's the kind of thing you can layer up when it's a bit cooler, like in spring, and then in summer I can wear obviously just this when it's really hot or on holiday or something, because fingers crossed I'm planning on going on holiday this summer. So this is a size medium. It was $4.99. I think the quality is pretty good. It's like the regular Zara racer top. There isn't much special about it. I will say though, I've got the so this is actually ribbed. The racer back kind of bodysuit they have, that isn't ribbed. I thought this would be the same material as that, but doesn't seem so. So the next thing I got from Zara is these black jeans. Now I've wanted black jeans for quite a while, and I got leather leggings to kind of satisfy that, but I wasn't that satisfied. So these jeans are wide leg jeans. I got them in a size 10. They are $29.99. I think I would say if you're a size 10 you can stick with your size with this. It is quite tight in the waist though, and like much looser at the rest of the body. And I would also say that it's really long. I am 5'9" and it is straight to the ground from like over my belly button, if you can see. But I really like it. I saw Josephine Looks on Instagram wear this, I think in the blue though, and I thought I really like those jeans, and I went to Zara and saw that they had the black and I decided to get it. And I think they're just really nice, like casual jeans that you can wear probably any season, and yeah, they're good quality jeans. So this dress, this green like kind of jewel toned satin dress, is the real reason I did the whole Zara shop in the first place. I have another black satin camisole kind of dress from Zara, and I thought that is really good quality. I love that one, so I thought I could get something similar in another color. The styling on this, the detail on this, so the detail here is kind of ruched over like by the corner. I'll try it on so you can see it, but I don't think I'm gonna keep it, to be honest. The fit is weird. I don't know why, but I really like the fact that it has adjustable straps, but honestly that's all I like about it, because also it's come up a lot darker green than I thought it would be, and yeah, I'm just not a fan. I don't know why, but what do you guys think? Do you think I should keep it? Do you think I should return it? I'm not sure. I'm also really not sure why it is so crumpled. So this is supposed to be the next thing, and this is barely more than a piece of string. Sizing, this is a medium in $11.99. I think what's happened here was, while I was shopping I was listening to Megan Thee Stallion, and then I thought, Badiadi, no, I am not Megan, I am not the Stallion. This will be going back. I don't see myself wearing this in the middle of London. No, it would be a bit ridiculous. I think it would work if I was going on holiday and I could like wear it as a top, because like I guess when you're on holiday you can almost wear like a bikini as a top and it's fine, rules don't apply. But this is not a middle of London top. So the last thing I got from Zara is this cute little white t-shirt. I got it in a size medium actually. I'm actually quite busty. I'm a 32E, so sometimes I size up in shirts. This was $9.99, really affordable. The material is nice. It is so soft, and I decided to actually just get this white t-shirt because of the detailing on the side. I think when it comes to white shirts, a bit of detail kind of just adds a little more something to it, and I could think of like just a bunch of ways to style this, because it could go really nice with like a dress, or like on top of a dress. It could go really nice on a skirt, or with like proper trousers as well. So yeah, I thought it was quite cute. I think I will definitely be keeping. On to Stradvarius. This is my absolute fave out of like everything I got from Stradvarius, and it is just a simple chain bag, and I just really like the fact that the color of the chain is the same color as the actual bag itself. I think you usually see that in like black bags, but not very often in like lighter colored bags, and I thought this is a really nice color for spring. It would be also quite nice for summer as well. It's got a little zipper on the inside. I don't know if you can see that. And yeah, there isn't much to say about it. It's obviously not real leather, but the chain detailing on it is really good quality. The chain is quite heavy. The bag isn't super heavy, but the chain definitely is. And yeah, definitely keeping this. And then while I looked at the bag, I came across these cute sandals. I think they're espadrilles, I would imagine, because I don't know if espadrilles like they have to be closed to be called espadrilles, but whatever. I came across these sandals that are a really good match for this, and I thought that's like something you can play with quite a lot. It's like they're both cream, and I bought this thinking if I don't like it I'll return it, but then I put it on and it is so comfortable. I am usually a 6.5 or 7, so I got it in a 40, a size 7, and fits perfectly. I think they are gorgeous sandals. And then last but not least, in true me fashion, I bought the bag, I bought the shoes, and I was like, maybe I should find a dress to go with it. So I found this dress. It was actually on sale. I don't know if they'll still have it, but I'll try to link something similar if I can find it. But it has this detailing at the back where you can like, it has the open back, and then it also has this, which I think you can tie either at the back or in the front, and it has quite a high slit. Where's the slit? There it is. It's got quite a high slit, and I just thought this reminded me of Melissa's wardrobe. Hashtag Mel made me do it. That Melissa, if you follow on Instagram, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. But it just reminded me of the kind of dress she'd wear, like a Jacquemus kind of stylish kind of dress, and that's exactly why I bought it. I was like, if Melissa like would probably wear it, I will be wearing it too. Thank you so much for watching today's Zara / Stradvarius haul, and yeah, I really hope you liked the pieces. Let me know which of the pieces is actually your favorite. I'm not sure which one's my favorite, you know. I'm actually not sure. It might be the bag and the sandals, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.